Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of entering the My Account Sweepstakes on www.pch.com/actnow. If you're looking to claim your entry and join exciting sweepstakes for big prizes, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the official sweepstakes page. Open your web browser and go to www.pch.com/actnow. This is the official page for the My Account Sweepstakes, where you can enter and possibly win incredible prizes. Step 2. Sign in to your PCH account. If you already have a PCH, Publishers Clearinghouse, account, click the Sign In button at the top of the page. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button and follow the steps to register. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email, and a password. Step 3. Locate the sweepstakes entry section. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section of the website that lists the My Account Sweepstakes or promotions. This is where you'll be able to enter for your chance to win. Step 4. Click on Enter Now. Look for a button that says Enter Now or something similar. This will officially enter you into the sweepstakes. Step 5. Complete any additional requirements. In some cases, the website may ask for additional information or for you to complete a short survey to qualify for the entry. Follow any prompts to complete these steps. Step 6. Submit your entry. Once you've filled in any necessary information, click the Submit or Enter button to submit your entry into the My Account Sweepstakes. You should receive a confirmation message or email that your entry has been successfully recorded. Step 7. Keep an eye out for notifications. After entering, keep an eye on your email for any updates about your entry status or potential winnings. PCH sweepstakes often notify winners through email or by phone. Step 8. Troubleshoot issues. If you face any issues while trying to enter the sweepstakes, double-check your login credentials to ensure you're signed into the correct account. Make sure you've completed all required fields. Try clearing your browser's cache or using a different browser. Now you're ready to enter the exciting world of PCH sweepstakes. Best of luck. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and updates. Thanks for watching.